Ulink NT program SB5101 and SB5120 modem MIPS EJTAG. This is the programming 5101. Here I'm at the previous setting, which is 6121, and you need to select SB5101, which is already here, and select it. So we need to check the connection, which is a JTAG connection, but 5101 only has 5 pins. The reset pin is not there, so TRST, TDI, TDO, TCK, TMS, and ground need to be connected. This is 5101 modem, and here is the 12-volt power supply. The Ulink NT connected this way, and there's only 5 pins here. TRST, the first one feed TRST, TDI, second one, third one is TDO, fourth one is TMS, and the fifth one is TCK. And there is a row of ground here, and we connect the pin 2 of the Ulink here. So in the Ulink, IO0 is TDI, IO1 is TDO, IO2 is TCK, and IO3 is TMS. So in here, TMS and TCK will be swapped, and the IO4 is TRST. So now it's power on and detect. So because this one supports the DMM mode, we can read the flash without go to the trap on. So I'm going to read it first with the regular read. Here you can say I want to read, and it will read the entire flash. The speed is faster than the USB JTAG NT here, you can see. Okay, so I can also go to the trap on mode, and I can do another verification, because now we can see the data is read, and we can verify it. And again, it's also faster than the USB JTAG NT, even when I'm recording here. So data is okay. So let's save it. For example, I save it. Save to here, and let's erase everything. Let's say I want to. It's erased, so it will compare will fail. Let's try to compare it here. Fail because it's empty, right? So if I'm initialize it, so when I click initialization, it will fill the data with FF. And at this time, if you want to verify, let's say I want to verify the boot here, and you can see it's empty. Okay, let's program this back. So I go to the old flash here and click it. So the data is filled in the memory here, but it's not on target. So now I'm going to program the entire flash with, say I want to program it, and it will start erasing it and then program it. So the way that Ulink NT and USB JTAG NT works is while erasing, it's put all the flash data into the target memory, and when program, we are not using the JTAG to program, we are using the target CPU to program, which is super fast. You probably wouldn't see other JTAG will be this fast. Okay, it's finished. So only took like 10 seconds to program, and erase takes 20 seconds. So let's compare if the flash is programmed back, and I'm pretty sure it is. Good. This is a 5120. Configure go 5120 and select this modem. Now, because 5120 has a watchdog, we need to disable it, which is described in this document. We need to issue these 3 commands, and I have already created a script called SB5120. So the command of script and SB5120 will print out the SB5120.USP. So let's try it. So power on and SB5120. Now it's going to trap on. Let's read the whole flash. And this data does not seem to be right. So the reason for this is because the clock of the U-Link is too high. So let's lower it, go to the 9 megahertz. And let's read this one more time. And this is great. This looks perfectly fine. So yeah, selective speed can make some difference. Let's save it. We already have it, so let's say rename it. And if I want to show like erase everything, okay, let's erase everything. And then, you know, all these tabs are empty. Let's verify it. Empty. Let's program this back. Make sure the data is loaded. So write let's compare it. Okay, it's programmed.